Aibuan, I am Nusanthan, the Operation Manager, Birds Resort Hambantota. We are located in Hambantota, 14 kilometers from the central, and our resort is close to Southern Expressway, Mattala Airport, and Hambantota Port. Birds Resort is a 36 rooms luxury hotel spread of 50 acres of land with nature and wildlife with a beautiful infinity pool. The father of our property is Mr. Ajit Galage. When you arrive to the hotel, we will welcome you by traditional I-1 by our amazing staff. Resort has two types of rooms, deluxe and superior rooms overlooking the lake. Can accommodate maximum 3 people in one room. And also we are providing tea coffee to the room. This is our deluxe room. So here we have the amenities over here. And also here we have mini bar items. This is chargeable. So if you have any valuables, you can keep it here. If you have any valuables, you can keep it box here. Actually, this is our deluxe room. This is our biggest room in our hotel. And also, if you stay in this area, you can see the Nagar Lake. You are overlooking the Nagar Lake. And also, we have tree house over here. If you like, you can go to the tree house in the evening time as well. Enjoy your high tea and tea. And also, this is our phone facilities. If you want anything, you can dial 0 to the reception, and also we have put our notepad over here. You can use this as well. For deluxe room, we have put all the bathroom amenities over here. We have conditioner, shampoo, and body wash, and also soap here. And also other amenities here. And other amenities, dental kits, shaving kit, all the amenities are here. This is our superior interconnecting room. Valuables, we have to save music box here. So keep your valuables, save music box. All the bathroom amenities here. Towels. Have a small living and sitting area here with the interconnecting door. This is the interconnecting door. The other room also you have same living area like other room. And also you will see the Nagar Lake. Facilities in this room also. and we have eco-friendly fine dining restaurant along with the bar. For our culinary experience, our chefs are always used to use our organic food from our organic farms. And we are arranging elephant feeding every day to our guests to get the best experience in our hotel. And also we can arrange indoor and outdoor games as well. We have a nice tree house provide natural surrounding overlooking the Nagara lake. And also if you stay with us, we are providing free entrance to the South Asia's largest birds park, which belongs to us. We can arrange tours to Ridiyagama Safari, Yala Safari, Madunagala, Kataragama, Mirijjavila and Museum to Hambantota as well. We are looking forward to welcome you soon. Thank you.